Your white sauce, I'm gonna put my red.
Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we got Finerios in the building, and you can't see him, you're only gonna see his hands. But we got my boy Adrian over there.
Coach white boy decided to Mason Dixon.
AKA white chocolate. Don't let it fool you. They call him white chocolate, so I start calling him white chocolate. We got him over there. He's gonna be actually filming the actual TikTok. So today, me and Lonnie are gonna be doing the Chick-Fil-A viral one that's going around with the fries, the nuggets, and the mac and cheese mixed with the buffalo sauce and the ranch. Supposed to be really good from what I seen and what I heard.
We're gonna find out.
You ready?
Let's get to mixing.
All right, let's go. So you have to order a large, which is a 12 count with the large, the mac and cheese, and then 2 buffalo sauces and 2 ranches. And so you gotta pour the fries or waffle fries inside. Then the nuggets.
The nuggets.
Then the mac and cheese. And if y'all haven't had Chick-Fil-A mac and cheese, that should be hidden. Don't let nobody lie to y'all. They mac and cheese be hidden.
It's straight. First store-bought macaroni and cheese is good.
Yeah, obviously. All right, so then buffalo and ranch drizzled all over. Supposed to be like
Make it nasty.
sweet and tangy.
I'm gonna pour it at the same time. You pour your white sauce, I'm gonna pour my red. Hey, here we go. There we go. Oh, this shit look like wet.
Shut up, fool.
We gotta do both sauces?
Yeah. You know, it gotta be dripping. Nobody want no dry meal. Wait, pause. That's not, hold on, y'all. Y'all know what I meant.
Hey, we like it wet around here.
Y'all know what I meant. Y'all know what I meant.
Wet around here. I ain't gonna hold you. This do look kind of like a meal that would have you on the toilet though.
What I am so said when I saw him do this, we about to be shin.
Yeah.
All right. So when you also go, you gotta ask them for a salad container, the clear salad container. That's what we got. Or if you don't want to do that, just put it in a container at your house. And then we're gonna put it on here.
Hey, shake that up, my girl.
And we're gonna shake.
Shake.
Little tip, turn it upside down and shake to get all of that on there.
Yep.
Oh, child, I'm tired of shaking. I'm tired.
Literally, she only shook for like 7 seconds.
I'm tired. All right. Oh shit. You gotta get white chocolate a fork, and you need a fork.
I'll get the rules. Here we go.
So what else do I need for the TikTok?
My boy Adro. I think the final product, right?
Just a shot of the end product, yeah. White chocolate on the camera. I ain't gonna lie. This look like it about to be busting.
I don't know what to say.
This look like it about to be busting.
I don't know what.
Now y'all know somebody high made this up. Somebody who was zooted as hell made this up. You gotta get the chicken and the mac and the...
Damn, hold on, Adro, you messing up our sound for the
You messing up my
YouTube?
sound. You messing up my sound, Adro.
That's because Adro don't work with Android. He don't like them Android.
No, we ain't no Android shade.
Hey, come on, Adro, get you a little bite in here. Get you a little bit. I know
so
you
make
don't
sure
eat
you
chicken
get
like
like a waffle fry
careful, that's
and
some
the mac and cheese.
It's kind of hard to tell what's what.
Yeah.
Cause you can't see it all. It's just all wet. It's just all wetness.
Let me get some mac in there.
Yeah, and mac attack.
And the waffle fries and the chicken.
I got a little bit of everything on mine.
All right, y'all ready?
Hey, it's wet.
Hard.
Come on, Adro. All right.
Hey, bon appetit.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Mm.
Oh, this is pretty fire.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit busting, y'all.
Like I wouldn't order this all the time, but like I would eat it.
Cause I haven't had chicken in like 3 years.
Oh shit, I forgot.
That's what chicken
Hey,
tastes
girl,
like? Eat more chicken.
I'm gonna get one more. Don't tell nobody.
Listen, somebody definitely hot came up with this. But I ain't gonna front this shit.
For sure.
This shit is busting.
Yeah, this like one of those, yeah, you gotta be hot. If you high and you just like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna fuck this up.
Yeah.
I wouldn't order this over.
Yeah. All right, well that's it, y'all. Y'all seen it right here. Try it. If you search on TikTok, Chick-Fil-A, it'll come up. Or probably on YouTube or IG.
Hey, forget all that. Write in the comments down below if you got any TikTok, or you got any Chick-Fil-A hacks of the menu or something. Put it down there. We're gonna try it all.
Or you know what? Put in the comment box any other ones y'all want us to try.
That part.
That part.
It's real potato-y though. Cause of the waffle fries. It's just dumb potato-y, but I also didn't get a piece of chicken, so it was like.
I don't know. This shit busting. Bye, y'all.
She eating like she ain't ate all day. Let me get one more bite though, damn.
No!